Good morning, my dear student. Welcome to the online class of Sri Ram Public School. This is Preeti Mukherjee. So last few days we are talking about on this chapter 6, and the name of this chapter is Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. So before starting anything else, let's recap first. In this chapter, we have learned that this vegetation are divided into three parts. There are forest, grassland and shrubs. Forest. What is forest? We know that forest is jungle. So everyone we know what is forest. Forest is which grew where temperature and rainfall are plentiful to support a tree cover. Where temperature and rainfall, जहाँ पर बारिश ज्यादा होगा वहाँ पर पेड़ भी घने होगा. तो which are grew where temperature and rainfall are plentiful to support a tree cover. Depending upon these factors means these two factors, this temperature and the rainfall. Depending upon these two factors means we cannot see the same vegetation all over the India because of the temperature. Somewhere we can find the cold temperature, there we can find the other kind of trees. That's the things that depending upon this factor means the temperature and the rainfall, dense and open forests are grew. Dense means forest are two types. Dense means जहाँ पर सबसे घना जंगल जिसको कहते हैं घने जंगल, और next the open forest. Compared to the dense, open forest उतना भी घने नहीं होता है. तो temperature and this rainfall, depending upon these two factors, we can see dense and the open forest are grew. Next point is the grassland. We know that what is grassland. We already discussed it. That which grow in the region of the moderate rain. Moderate rain means where we can find neither too much rainfall or not small rainfall. So which grow means grasslands are grow where in the region of the moderate rainfall. And after that is shrubs. Thorny shrubs and shrubs grew in the dry region. Dry region means in that the Rajasthan we can see the shrubs tree. So these vegetations are divided into these three parts, means that forest, grassland and the shrub. Again, this forest is divided into another 6 parts. What are they? These forests are divided into another 6 parts. That is tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forest, next topic temperate evergreen forest, after that temperate deciduous forest, in that Mediterranean vegetation, after that coniferous forest. So now you can see that I have divided this tropical forest into 2 parts. Means in your textbook you can find that forests are divided into 6 parts, and there you can find the tropical. Means tropical, one is tropical evergreen forest and another one is tropical deciduous forest. So this tropical evergreen and tropical deciduous. So in last class we already discussed about the tropical evergreen forest. Tropical evergreen means जो हमेशा हरा रहता है. So that is tropical evergreen forest, and another one is tropical deciduous forest. We already discussed on the tropical evergreen forest, and we know what is the tropical of Cancer and the tropic of Capricorn के बीच जो रहता है. Talk about the tropical deciduous forest. Tropical deciduous forest. Here you can see the 4 point that tropical deciduous forest where we can found in the large part of the India, where the northern Australia and Central America. पूरा अमेरिका नहीं, the whole part, not the whole part of the America. The Central America and the northern Australia. After that, trees shades their leaves in their dry season. Here we can see only the seasonal rainfall. Means we cannot find the heavy rainfall here. So that's why we only the seasonal rainfall we can get here. So that's why the tree shades their leaves in the dry season. And that tropical evergreen में क्या हुआ था? And tropical evergreen, there we can see that all over the year the trees are so greeny, but here the tree shades their leaves. Shades their leaves मतलब पत्ते झड़ जाते हैं. तो tree shades their leaves in the dry season. And the hardwood trees, what kind of trees we can see here? That the hardwood trees found in the forest. What are they? Yes, shal, teak, neem, and shisham. Neem is so common. Shisham are also a common tree. Shal, teak, all these trees are so common. So these neem, shisham, sal, teak, we can see in the tropical deciduous forest. And what happened? That these trees are very useful of making furniture, transport, etc. because they are very hardwood trees. And then what kind of wildlife we can see here or we can find here? That tigers, lions, elephants, lagoons and the monkeys are so common here, So these 4 points are important for the tropical deciduous forest. So let's revise it once again. That this tropical deciduous forest, we know that tropical means this tropic of Cancer and this tropic of Capricorn. So this part is known as the tropical zone. So tropical deciduous forest we found in the large part of India, means the northern Australia and the Central America. After that, these trees shades their leaves in the dry season. After that, the hardwood trees found in this forest. For an example, that shal, teak, neem, shisham, and wildlife is that tiger, lion, elephants, lagoons and monkeys are common here. So I hope all of you can understand. If you have any doubt, you can message me or you can call me also. So no more today.